So as I'm putting this car back together, I'm just going to show you the brief overview of what I've done. I've connected all the wires and made sure everything works, and then fished everything down through. And then instead of going through this, I brought them out to the side, and then I fished them through. I just put a little slot at the bottom, brought them through here. I still have to pop that back in, and then just ran them to the sides that they go to. You probably could fit everything through this. Looks like there's a lot of room here, but these are very thick. The cables are small inside there, and they have a protective layer on them, but I just ran them this way, and I'm going to put the plastic over top of them, and it'll be fine for me. The plastic runs here. I may have to notch the plastic a little bit. I'm not too worried about that, and once this closes, you'll never see it anyway. You're not going to notice that little bit there. Put the trunk pieces back in, clip everything together because everything is loose right now. Vacuum because my dogs make a mess back here. I think for my car's a little different because it is an early one and this is shimmed out. I may have to shim this out a little bit more because mine comes really close to here. Yours won't have that issue. You see mine gets really close to touching there, and then when it grabs, so I may have to trim a little bit more, sand this down or something like that just to get mine to fit better, but you should have no issues with that. But I just want to be transparent with how it latches, and I do need to push this out a little bit, but I think once I get everything lined up, it looks amazing. From this distance you won't notice any of those gaps anyway, so it looks amazing. I'm so happy with this light. Definitely need this. Also, since mine is a 3-pin connector, not a 4-pin, it took a little longer. I had to wait for some new adapters to show up for these being a 3-prong or 3-pin. The wires were a 4-pin, so I had to get an adapter for that to go across. You probably won't have that issue either. These are the lights on at sunset. The sun's right over there, it's setting. This is what it looks like with the lights on. They don't flicker. This is just flickering on my iPhone here, but everyone loves these. This bar here. Now you can get this bar underneath here. It's a little different setup that they have. This is kind of nice because it's almost like a double fin here, a double spoiler kind of thing. I like this look better than the new ones that they have. The other one is a little thinner, but it's kind of funky when you get into the side tail lights. This is molded, I think, really nicely how this fits right into there and extends all the way over here. This is my preferred setup for the Model 3 or the Model Y. It works with either one. Go to Hansshow, order yours. You use code I1Tesla and save some money. But that looks awesome. Don't you agree? I think these taillights are a hit. It's kind of stock-ish with the bar. Oh, that's so awesome. Go to Hanshow's website. Just click the link down below and get them. You've seen these all over the place, but save some money using my code.